Good morning. So what is the best way to clean your rings after you've taken them off for your morning shower or evening shower? Maybe it's good evening. So good evening. Let me show you. Yes, you get to see the inside of my shower. How cool is that? So I usually take my rings off about 99% of the time while I shower. So after I rinse them off with some soapy water, what should I do next? Should I air dry them, or we could go downstairs in the studio? Whoa, that was a nice sound. And grab one of my favorite gadgets from over a year ago. Whoop, not knocking things down here. I know it says the UV sanitizer, but it has a much, much better name. The Samsung Easy Bake Oven. The Samsung Easy Bake UV Oven. Do you remember the Easy Bake ovens from years ago, and you put a light bulb in it and you could cook a cupcake or a full-on cake in a matter of hours, but you never burned and it was still a little doughy inside? Well, Samsung created this UV light system to cleanse your gadgets. Step one, you purchase a Samsung Easy Bake Oven. So it says right there, Samsung. And then you open the oven. Now it does wirelessly charge. You can put your keys in here, your silicone rings, your pocket knife, anything that will fit. And then you want to close it and plug it in with the plug that it came with, a little Samsung. Remember, OEM to OEM. Now this is not an OEM cable, but it's compatible. And then I'm going to use my fancy new Anker charger here. The Anker 727 charging station. See right there? There are the rings. Let's hope they didn't double up on us. And this is the best part. Right there. Blip. Just set it and forget it. Now, how do we know it's working? I mean, we can't see anything. Watch this. You ready? You ready? I don't think you're ready. I mean, maybe you did just wake up. I mean, I still have my, whoops, that was microphone. I still have my bathrobe on, not my smoking robe. I try not to smoke in the morning. This is my bathrobe. The Easy Bake Oven is not for everyone. And this is not for kids. This is for adults. Keep that in mind. So if we gently open it up, you can see the glow. Do you see the glow? Do you see the blue light? Isn't that amazing? It's just like the Easy Bake Oven you grew up with. The Susie bakes a lot, or Fred bakes a lot. Rum. I'm eating all your bacteria. Uh-oh, it turned off. If you open it up too much, it disables itself because it doesn't want you to be blinded by the light. There we go. Oh, that's just pretty, isn't it? The Samsung Easy Bake Oven. Not just for watches, not just for charging phones wirelessly, but also for cleaning those hard to reach places of your smart rings or silicone ring. And just get rid of all that bacteria. Yuck. The charger shows me the wattage right there. And if you want to, just slide those rings around, make sure they get all clean. And then what I've done in the past is that I put them on one side and then I flip them over just like a tanning booth. And in 10 minutes, this thing will go beep. And then we know the Easy Bake Oven is done and Samsung has used ultraviolet light to sanitize my gadgets. Now, when you are charging a watch in there, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I haven't had any problems. And when you're charging a phone, it tends to get a wee bit warm because they didn't really put in any vents. It's somewhat of a Samsung Easy Bake coffin as well. Dracula's smartphone and gadgets, because no light escapes. Yeah, I'd like to see Mark Rober test this. Killing, 88.9, 98.2%. So we'll come back in 10 minutes and then we'll show you the beep alert. It's pretty cool. You are so cute. Look at you, all your paws are together. Just sleeping underneath the pillows, huh? Hi, puppy. Hi. Did I wake you up? Now, an important question. How do you know when it's off? The blue light turns off, and in the back here, if you have the right charger, it will read 0%. Let's flip the sides. We want them evenly tanned, don't we? I always want an even tan. Now, I do not condone tanning. It's no good. Don't tan. Click. Set timer. 9 minutes and 33 seconds.
9 minutes and 33 seconds. Starting now.
As we patiently wait for the Samsung Easy Bake Oven to finish cooking, the anticipation is riveting. I'm wearing one Rode mic, and then I strategically placed it. Oh, that was exciting. Let's look inside. All done, all cooked. I wonder how hot they are. Quick, get the thermostat. 72, silicone 80. Wait, why is my silicone ring hotter than the silicone absorbs more heat? 75. So the slate one, and then the inside of the oven, 73, 74, 82. The lights, 84, 85. Now heat's very important. Sometimes heat can cleanse, but sometimes heat can destroy. You don't want to melt your smart rings. But at 82, that's nothing. So you gently place the phone in, and you get the little charging sound. So now it's positioned correctly. And this is a pretty big phone. So if this one fits, yours should too. Close the lid, set it, and forget it. Just like that. Beautiful. While I wait for my phone to finish cooking, see if I can get some of these smudges. Now it's nice and pretty, like a sanitizer should be. Sanitized with Lysol. And now the best part, I get to put them back on. I normally wear the slate one on my middle finger during the day, this one on my thumb, this one on my middle finger. This is my symbolic wedding ring. Use the force, Luke. No, it's not the Skywalker one. It's, I feel better now. It feels a little weird to have my rings off. Now, if you move the phone or turn it upside down like this by moving the box, it's not going to wirelessly charge. But I'll be honest, this is more of an Easy Bake Oven UV sanitizer than it is a charger. Because if you notice right there, the wattage going in, 3.5 watts. It does not charge your phone fast. To be 100% honest with you, I rarely use it as a charger, and I'll just slide my phone in there. I don't really care about the placement because it is so slow. Yeah, at 3.5 watts. It's not fast charging, it's not slow charging, it's trickle, just little bits of juice here and there. And that's my video and my full review about the Samsung UV Sanitizer, aka Samsung Easy Bake Oven. Just click it, blip, and forget about it. And there are those nice blue lights. Oh, that's nice right there. Huh, this lighting, it almost looks green. Now, if you open it too much, all it resets, then blip, you gotta do it all over again. What are your thoughts? Yeah, I wanna say I got this for 30 bucks, which is pretty good. It seems to be working. I only got COVID once over the last 2.5 years, so knock on wood, that's good. The Lysol bleach next to your face, I mean, I'll use it on the back or whatever, but yeah, on the front, no, let's not do that. Pithy thoughts, type those down below. Paramount Kid, this video was for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, appreciate your time. And yes, let those credits roll for the Paramount Kid. I'll see you again sometime in the next 88 hours or sooner. Goodbye.
Value.
No, I am not perfect, and here are some bloopers to prove it. Enjoy. And that's the video. That's my Samsung. Oh my gosh. Delete blooper. Cut. And